What's priority, low light, enable? What does it do? I'd love to know as well. Now this is disabled. My lights just went off. I'm going to turn a light on here and walk near my bicycle and show you my bike setup. Somebody asked me what is my mount. Well, I don't put this camera on my mount. I hold my camera. If I go a mile, 10 miles, or none. I don't get the camera sometimes. It will quick start and it won't quick start. And I'm trying to figure out how to get that quick start going. So yeah, what's important is reading the manual about the camera and learn it. And that's what we're going to do one day. Well, this is again without priority enabled. And you can see the light is giving a nice whiteness on my face, right? I'm going to switch on over to enable. Low light priority enable. It darkens the shot. Why would you want to have something that darkens the shot? Taking the grain out via software? Going over a bump. How did I do? Now I am on enable. I'm going to put a light on me. It lights up. I'm going to have to ask a question about that. Yes, indeed. I want to sit down and have a talk with you, but I can't. Everything's all wet. So the only way I can do that is just stand right here. And I did bring my light with me this time round. Yeah. Hey, I'm Fish, and thank you very much for joining me today on the DJI Action 3 Talk. This series is going to go on for a long time. So sit back, relax, pick a video, whatever video it is, make a comment, show whatever you like. It is what it is, man. I am the man that will be here with a good camera. Now we got some good talk and I want to, make a video about it. And the only way we can find out if you got a DJI Action and you got troubles, the only way we're going to know who's got a good camera and the bad camera, there's a UPC symbol on the bottom of the box. And below that is a made in China, a YIN number, and one number that's just prior to it between the made in China and all. Those three numbers, those group of numbers will tell you if you got a good camera or not. I watched a video and I do love the way that video was made. And if you want to check that video out, his video and the person I follow is Scott's Review. Scott's Review did a nice talk about the Sony EVZF1, something like that. The EV-1F. Sony EV-1F. It is a budget camera to the EV-1. And if you can't afford to get the EV-1 at the time, which is what? About $700, and that camera is $500, and it's now catered to nighttime and vlogging. Well, I have a Sony HX90V, and that camera is supposed to have excellent nighttime shots with it as well. But the thing is, it was more of a point and shoot camera with a 30 times optical zoom. And I love the active stabilization with it. It had two stabilizations built in one. If you make a vlogger's camera, and I agree with him, you want to have hyper smooth and real steady built into those cameras, those electronic image stabilization. I got myself the DJI Action 3 because it was a lot cheaper, less expensive, more on the budget, and I got myself, I believe, and some people are saying, a good one. And how did I get a good one? I don't know. I didn't do anything different. I just didn't go to DJI. I went to Best Buy, and I guess that camera is a little bit better than others. And I'm not happy with it. I'm not hating it. It's a love and hate relationship. I'm first trying to learn it, get used to it. I should learn it within what? 1 minute? Not at all. Like we're seeing here, low light, enable, priority. I have to figure that out, what it's about, because this is what I do. I go out and shoot my video at this time. If I was to get the Sony EV-1F, it would be for reviewing. And that's what I'm doing with the DJI Action 3. It's my reviewer's camera. So everything I'm going to do with my reviews is going to be with this camera. I'm going to take it out sometimes as well. And the GoPro Hero 11 wasn't a review camera. I would have to put it on the media module, connect a microphone to it, and all that good stuff. That's not what you want to use a action camera for. Oh yeah, see Steve review, Scott's review. I got both of you mixed up. Honking the horn. They don't know how to ring a doorbell or use a text message system. I watch Morris's video, man, I had to stop because that commercial came on, and then I continued on when he was outside with his FX30. And man, that blew everything away. And he did a great job with it. And he's saying it's a post-production camera. And until they fix everything with firmware, he's got a lot of this over here. Oh man, I don't know why a cheaper camera could do a better job, right? All right, I had a real short bike ride. It's nice and comfortable. And I got my low light, my small talk out, some exercise, not a lot. And I got to do some other things, and I got to conserve some power. I needed some footage for this review. So here we are, doing a good job indeed. The thing I don't love about my wireless mic, it blocks the on and off button. It is what it is. Not everything is perfect in life, and that you'll learn in a very quick time. Why don't they make an excellent camera from the start, out of the box to all? And that's what people want, and that's what they're looking in the DJI Action 3.